we go. Oh, we gotta drop it on the thing, then we're gonna pick it up, and then we'll eat it anyway.
Next.
Right?
Here.
You're on. Ooh, here comes Mom. Mom's got hair coming down. That's all right, though. Hello. Whee! Who's this?
Thomas.
Paul baby. Yeah. We're on candid camera. Here comes another one. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah. Yummy. Yeah. You don't really like that, do you?
Mhm.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What's this called?
Pizza.
One more.
That's a pizza.
Okay, I got it. That's good. Okay, we're up to a minute already. That's enough. Ooh,